Namaste everyone. Today we are diving into the basics of retrieving data in SQL. To start, the core of retrieving data in SQL is select statement. Think of it as you're asking database to hand you some specific information. Select statement retrieves zero or more rows from one or more database tables or database views. We fetch information using select statement. It is data query language, that is DQL command. We will see syntax basic queries of select statement. The syntax is select column name from table name. To select few columns, we specify column names using comma among them. To select complete data from table, we use asterisk symbol. It means all. Select statement is heart of data retrieval. It is used with several commands and clauses for data retrieval. Select clause and from clause are best friends. They always participate together in data retrieval. Friends, here I mean from clause is used in conjunction with select always. Now let's see a few examples. We have a table name employee. We select all the columns from table employee. Here asterisk specifies all. We get all the columns as output from employee table. Now let's see another example. Now we retrieve name and salary. Only two columns from table employee. So here is the query. When we run it, we get output name and salary column. Now let's see another example using where clause. Where we are using to filter out the condition. We are retrieving name and salary column based on a condition, salary, all the employees having salary greater than 50,000. We have our output of all the employees having salary greater than 50,000. Here we have used where, here we have seen where clause with assignment operator. Now let's see another example of where clause using like operator. We use like operator for pattern matching. This retrieves all names starting with A. Here we have our output, Amanda and Ashley. To recap, we use select to choose column, where to filter results, and like for pattern matching. Now it's your turn. Try running these queries on your own database. What's most interesting data you found? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.